In today's video, we are covering different ways to make money using AI. Of course, there are hundreds or thousands of ways to make money using AI, but I've sifted through those, and I've come up with my list of the 5 top ways to make money. Everything we're talking about in this post is tried and true, and I'll show you an outline of how you can do it yourself. We'll also be covering real tools and platforms to help you. And yeah, I want this video to be extremely actionable. AI is huge. It's opening up a whole new world for making money, and I want you guys to capitalize on that. Number 1, social media management business. So let's start with number 1, which is using AI to start a social media management company. In the last few years, there have been so many insane new tools popping up. They use AI to help you manage social media for either yourself or your clients. And that makes it such a cool business to start right now because, seriously, if you know the right tools to use and you know how to market, this can be an easy 6-, 7-, or 8-figure business. Essentially, what you guys are going to do is find clients and help them manage their social media. There are so many entrepreneurs and businesses out there that are trying to take advantage of social media, either to build a following or get organic traffic. So trust me, this is going to be in demand for a long time. The thing is that AI pairs perfectly with it. For example, there's Taplio, an amazing software that can write and brainstorm content for LinkedIn. That way, if you have any clients who want to build their LinkedIn pages, which are becoming popular right now, using AI tools like this can increase your output. This is just an example for LinkedIn, but for every single social media platform out there are going to be AI tools that you guys can use to streamline the content process. With YouTube, there's vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Those are extremely helpful for your YouTube clients. With Twitter, there's Taplio, or there's also HypeFury. And yeah, you guys get the point. You want to use these AI tools, find clients, and then run their social media platforms for them. I think right now this is one of the best opportunities in the AI space. It's a service-based business with meager overhead costs as well as starting costs. And let's say if you get 10 clients each paying $5,000 a month, which you guys are very doable, that's $50,000 per month or $600,000 per year. And yes, you should be able to do all this just yourself or with a VA yourself, and that's mainly because we are using these types of tools. Number 2, building an e-commerce business. Anyways, that's one way to make money passively in the AI space. But let's continue the video and talk about a couple of other ways to build cash-flowing businesses with the help of AI. So the next way to make money using the help of AI is by building an e-commerce business. You're probably wondering, Charlie, it doesn't sound like it uses that much AI. But guys, there are so many tools out there now that can help you build an e-commerce business super fast and easily. For example, what we can do is use ChatGPT to help identify top trending niches and products to sell. We can then go to Midjourney and use that to help us create designs or logos that can save you guys a ton of time and money on design costs because, yeah, a logo could cost thousands of dollars if you go to some places. From there, you can take your product and your design and sell it easily using print-on-demand services like Printful or by building your e-commerce store website. Now, when it comes to building your e-commerce store, there are tons of tools for that as well. When it comes to e-commerce, Bluehost is a cool tool that allows you to build an e-commerce store using WordPress. It uses AI to assist with the whole process, so I highly recommend that as an option. There's Adobe Firefly to help you guys generate images. Their AI-based image editing is just absolutely insane. And while it used to be hard to get great-looking photos for your products, now literally anyone can do it using Firefly. You can also use AI to rebuild landing pages and websites of our competitors. So if there's a website of a competitor and you want to sort of emulate it, now there are tools that can help you do that. And of course, when it comes to e-commerce, marketing is a huge portion of whether or not you'll see success. And you can just use the tools we talked about earlier in this video, the social media management tools, to help you create a ton of posts to put out. If you guys are making short-form videos as well, there are AI video editors. They can help put captions into your short-form video, identify viral parts of your long-form videos, and even speed up the editing process by cutting dialogue for you. Essentially, what I'm trying to say is what used to take 10 to 20 people can now be done just by yourself with the help of these AI tools. Yeah, e-commerce has always been a fantastic way to make money online, and nowadays, if you're not using AI to help build your store, you're wasting so much unneeded energy. Number 3, AI automated affiliate marketing business. And now the last way to make money using AI is with an AI automated affiliate marketing business. You guys already know what affiliate marketing is likely. It's basically when you promote other people's products and services. When someone clicks on your link and they buy that product or service, you get paid some type of commission. While I've been doing affiliate marketing myself manually for the last few years, nowadays Nowadays, anyone can get in way easier. There are so many tools out there that use GPT to write content for you. For example, there's ChatGPT, of course, there's Copy AI, and there's Content at Scale. There are tons and tons of platforms like this. You can, as I mentioned earlier, build a website using AI. Bluehost has a great AI website builder. So does Hostinger. I'll drop both of my exclusive links down below so you guys can check them out. If you guys are building blog posts, you guys can create images using Midjourney. Now everything within affiliate marketing can be custom made somehow. You just really need to embrace that and think, I can do what used to take a team of 10 people to do with just myself and some AI tools. If you embrace that thought and do it consistently for a good amount of time, there's a very good chance that you will see success doing this. There is so much opportunity within the space. I guarantee you that if you want to make money in the AI space, you can, especially if you start right now. So, I encourage you guys after reading this post, if this seems like something you want to do, just start taking action. Don't care about if you're going to fail or not. Don't overanalyze it. Just get started and figure out things along the way. That's basically how I built every single business I own today. And that's why I think it works, just based on personal experience. So, anyway, I hope you guys got some value from this post. I hope this post can help you guys make more as well. Yeah, let me know what your guys' thoughts are about AI in the comments below, and let's hold each other accountable. Now, if you want to increase your daily income, I highly suggest you see my other great videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.